Hello everyone and welcome back to Pix Mugs Tuts. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall your Wi-Fi driver on your Windows computer. This can take care of some issues that you're having with connecting to networks, as well as fix some issues with networks not showing up on your Windows computer. Let's jump right into it. Once you have Windows open, you're going to want to click the Windows button and type in Device Manager. You'll want to open that. Along the left-hand side, it has the software drivers for all the hardware installed on your computer. You're going to want to scroll down to the portion that says Network Adapters. This network adapter for Wi-Fi is Intel Dual Band Wireless AC 8260. Now yours is going to probably say something different, but generally it'll have the word wireless or Wi-Fi in the name. To uninstall the driver, you are going to want to left click and choose Uninstall Device. I'm going to hit OK for uninstall. Sometimes it gives you the option to delete the Wi-Fi driver, which I generally do to make sure you get a fresh download of that driver. Note that you may not automatically download this driver when you scan for the new hardware if you do not have your computer connected with an Ethernet cable. So I'm going to go to Action and scan for hardware changes. As you can see, it re-downloaded the Intel Dual Band Wireless AC 8260. It will disconnect you from wireless, so you will have to reconnect yourself to wireless by clicking on the bottom right hand side where it shows the world with a disconnection on it. From here, I'm going to connect to my network. As you can see, I'm reconnected because it's showing the wireless signal down in the right hand side of my computer. That's all there is to uninstalling and reinstalling your Wi-Fi driver for your Windows computer. Until next time.